Today we have something that I gotta show you guys. You're gonna be amazed. If this is your first time, please do subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get to that. Right, when you come here, come see what we bought a lot, and this lot, what we're doing is we picking these houses, and that will be Wisteria, Agabo Township. So it used to be all wood here, and so there it is. If you're familiar with down South Jersey, these houses right on these islands, they are demolishing it. But what we do is we buy them, we pick them up, and then we find a lot, and then we do a crawl space. We do just simple crawl space. For that, if you have money, we could do basement for you, but for us it makes sense. Crawl space, we do that crawl space, and then we put the house on it. Right immediately, this house get on that crawl space, it becomes a valuable house. So this is what we have going right now. You can't beat this project. There's another one that I'm doing right here. I'm gonna take you guys right there, take a look at it. It's one of the best projects. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Land got cleared. We just got the land cleared. Everything is looking on point, on point, on point. Gosh, it's amazing. Can you guys see it? Look at that. Yeah. There we go. So here will be the foundation. Will be all toed up right there. And as you see this here, you guys gonna be surprised the outcome of this project. And if you haven't stay tuned to this project. We have it going. So these are all going to be extended. The roofs are going to be extended. We get the roof done. Similar one right there. I will take you guys right there. Okay. It's amazing. It's amazing how this land used to be something that nobody wanted. You know what I mean? Nobody wanted it. Alright, stay tuned for this. I will take you right to the next project we are doing right there on that street. So if you're not familiar, there's Wisteria right here in EHT, Agabo Township. And dude, we got it going. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful project. Work. Look, I get fulfillment doing this kind of things, because when you see a problem being solved, and you see it like, wow. So that's what it is. Right, I'm gonna take you guys to the next project. Let's go to the next one. Who is this bad pooping all over the place? Right, what I said. All right, let's get to the next one. All right, so the next one shall be right there. Look at that. Look at that. Right, this next one goes coming up later. Let's go. So it's right on that same street, same road, and when you come right here, this is what we've been doing, and it's still work in progress. Look at that. If you don't know, now you know. Right? It's work in progress. So with this, what we did the same. Remember the crawl space I was telling you guys? Yes. It will be the same crawl space. And when the crawl space got done, we lowered the house, we put it right on top of it, and then siding got changed, put a new door, we did a new roof, did a new AC central air unit. So it's honestly work in progress. You know what? Let me take you guys to the place. Let's go. But before that, so this very house here has gas, has water. So there's the, I believe there's the water line right here. And then we did this. And that will be the gas line here, I believe. Yep, that's the gas. Yep, and right there on the corner of the house. And it will be the same street, same. So all this project going on, giving the value of the land, value of the house, going up. If you don't know now, you know. Right, so today what we done, siding, all of it is done. Doors were put here because it used to be an old siding like the one that you guys saw. So we put a new siding. Now we're gonna do a whole decking system here. Okay, and that also got done because when these houses were being moved, they got to cut a lot of things, and that also done. So you come back here, that's the new gas line that we just literally put it there not that too long ago, right? And as you can see, I already started working on that. And so that is what I'm looking to do today. I mean, we have good weather. That's what I'm looking to do today. Got to finish it all the way throughout. And that's the new project we're doing. When God gives you lemon, what do you make out of it? Try as much as possible. Make the best out of that. That's lemonade. Right? Right, again, is this your first time? I would say do subscribe to the channel. What else? Yes. So this here is work in progress. And please do subscribe to the channel, see how we coming up with this. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you the inside work we're going to do later on. Inside work from this chapter. God bless. Shalom.